880 million miles from Earth, deep in the heart of our solar system, a fascinating world spins gracefully, captivating astronomers for centuries. Welcome to the mystical realm of Saturn, the mysterious gas giant, where cosmic stories await to be revealed. Have you ever dreamed of a magnificent planet with dazzling jewel-like rings, a strange hexagonal storm, or mysterious rain falling from space? Saturn is more than just a planet. It is a living cosmic painting that evokes endless curiosity in each of us. Imagine a world where the atmosphere is resplendent with golden clouds, swirling under supersonic winds reaching dizzying speeds of 1,800 kilometers per hour. At Saturn's North Pole, a giant hexagon, spanning 32,000 kilometers, appears like a masterpiece of the universe. Is this the mark of an alien civilization or just a prank by nature? The first images from the Pioneer 11 spacecraft in 1979 opened the door to the mysterious world of Saturn, but it was the Cassini mission in 2004 that truly revealed the ring giant's magnificence. Each new secret revealed leads to a new set of questions, making Saturn an ever-fascinating puzzle. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system, with a core that is 12 to 20 times the mass of Earth. The magic: if you had a big enough space bathtub, Saturn would float on the surface. With a density of just 0.687 g/cm superscript 3, it is the least dense planet in the solar system. Unlike Earth's near-perfect spherical shape, Saturn is uniquely squashed due to its dizzying rotation speed. It takes just 10.5 hours to complete one rotation. This causes the planet to bulge at the equator, reaching a diameter of about 120,000 kilometers, while from pole to pole it is only about 109,000 kilometers. The distinctive yellow and gold bands visible from Earth are created by fierce winds in the upper atmosphere, painting a vivid and vibrant picture of the celestial body. But what makes Saturn really stand out among the myriad of planets? It is the mysterious hexagon at its North Pole. This structure, larger than Earth, changes color from a mystical blue to a shimmering gold, like a picture of the universe gradually unfolding. Thanks to the sharp images from Cassini, we have witnessed a giant storm right at the center of the hexagon, with an eye 50% larger than the strongest storms on Earth. Around it, crimson swirls of gas dance in sync with the counterclockwise flow of the hexagon, creating a mesmerizing cosmic dance. What is even more strange is the particle composition. Inside the hexagon, tiny mist particles dominate, while larger particles are rare. Outside, the situation is completely reversed. What secrets are these swirling gas streams hiding? Scientists have recently noticed something unusual about Saturn's iconic rings: the brilliant symbols that make the planet famous. Are those sparkling rings fading? And what are these strange phenomena moving along the rings? These questions not only keep scientists wondering, but also open up a new journey to explore the fate of this cosmic neighbor. Every discovery about Saturn is a reminder that the vast universe always hides wonders waiting for us to touch. Let's turn to the next page, where we will immerse ourselves deeper into the mystery of Saturn's rings and strange phenomena that keep scientists wondering. Imagine a brilliant halo surrounding a shining gold planet, where countless tiny dust particles sparkle next to giant ice blocks as big as houses, even majestic mountains. These are the iconic rings of Saturn, a cosmic wonder that has fascinated mankind for centuries. In the early 1600s, when Galileo first turned his crude telescope towards the gas giant, he was amazed by what he saw. To him, Saturn seemed to grow strange ears or mysterious handles, odd growths that we now know to be magnificent rings. With the limited lenses of the time, Galileo could not decipher their true nature, mistaking them for giant moons sandwiching the planet on either side. Can you imagine his amazed gaze, gazing upon a mystery that took mankind centuries to discover? Today, we think we understand a lot about Saturn's magnificent rings, but this cosmic wonder never ceases to amaze us. Made almost entirely of water ice, the particles in the rings dance a delicate dance, caught between two opposing forces: Saturn's relentless gravity pulling them inward, and their orbital speed pushing them outward into the vastness of space. For years, scientists have struggled with a big question: did Saturn always wear this glittering crown all along? Incredibly, recent findings reveal that for more than 90% of its existence, the gas giant was bare, spinning through space without rings. So where did those brilliant rings come from? One theory paints a dramatic picture. Millions of years ago, tiny icy moons orbiting Saturn violently collided with each other, torn apart by the gravity of passing asteroids and comets. The debris from these collisions, scattered across space, gradually coalesced into the rings we see today. Another tantalizing idea from a 2016 study suggests that the rings could be the ghostly remains of ancient dwarf planets, crushed in the distant past and reborn as Saturn's hazy halo. Or perhaps they were the fate of a single giant moon, which scientists have nicknamed Chrysalis. About the same size as Iapetus, Saturn's third largest moon, Chrysalis may have met its end when it collided with Titan, the planet's largest moon, in a cosmic collision that gave birth to the rings. Using complex computer simulations, scientists have uncovered a fascinating tale of gravitational chaos. In the distant past, Saturn's orbit wobbled in sync with Neptune, causing the planet's axis to tilt sharply. This tilt has changed our view of the rings today, creating a unique perspective. Meanwhile, Titan's gravity has been pulling it away from Saturn at a much faster rate than our moon is moving away from Earth. About 100 to 200 million years ago, Titan and Chrysalis fell into a dangerous resonance, a gravitational tug-of-war that disrupted Chrysalis's orbit. Pulled too close to Saturn, Chrysalis was torn apart by the planet's enormous gravity. Nearly 99% of its mass was swallowed into the planet, but the remaining 1%? That's where the magnificent ring system comes from, a shining testament to the lost moon. Recent studies estimate the rings to be between 100 and 400 million years old, young in cosmic terms. But their time may be running out. A celestial tragedy is unfolding. Saturn's rings are slowly melting. Under the relentless bombardment of solar radiation and plasma clouds from micrometeorite impacts, particles in the rings can become electrically charged. They then cling to Saturn's magnetic field, irresistibly drawn into the planet's atmosphere. As Saturn orbits the Sun, its tilt changes, increasing the intensity of radiation that showers the rings, accelerating the process of disintegration. Perhaps in 100 million years, the rings will disappear completely, leaving a bare Saturn, bereft of its former glory. Can you imagine a future where stargazers look up and see only a ringless Saturn? Turn to the next page, where we will delve deeper into the mysteries surrounding the fate of Saturn's rings and the strange phenomena that have scientists wondering. As we gaze upon this fleeting cosmic wonder, new questions arise, sparkling like the icy grains in Saturn's rings. What secrets do these dazzling rings hide? Do the sparkling ice fragments hold traces of the planet's turbulent past? Let's continue our journey, immerse ourselves in the strange phenomena stirring in the rings, and discover what they reveal about the fate of this mysterious world. Imagine a spectacular cosmic shower, where icy grains from Saturn's glittering rings pour down on the golden gas giant like a waterfall in space. This phenomenon, known as ring rain, is no ordinary storm. According to NASA, Saturn's rings are disappearing at an astonishing rate, losing the equivalent of an Olympic swimming pool of water every half hour. Can you imagine the sheer volume of this icy flood? Every second, about 2,700 kilograms of ring particles, scorched by ultraviolet light from the Sun, gently drift into Saturn's atmosphere. As they fall, they collide with other particles, transferring energy that heats the atmosphere and can light up the planet's northern and southern skies in dazzling, cosmic displays. But Saturn's rain doesn't just come from the rings. Meet Enceladus, one of Saturn's mysterious moons that adds a fascinating chapter to this cosmic story. Beneath its icy crust lies a hidden ocean that spews powerful plumes of icy water into space. Some of these tiny water particles, guided by Saturn's magnetic field and gravity, join the ring rain, creating what scientists call moon rain. This cosmic concoction is a tantalizing chemical cocktail: water, butane, propane, methane, ammonia, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and molecular nitrogen. Over time, this flow could alter Saturn's atmosphere, altering its oxygen and carbon levels. While this isn't enough to breathe life into the gas giant, it raises intriguing questions about the potential for life elsewhere in Saturn's realm. Is there anything else waiting to be discovered? Speaking of realms, Saturn has reclaimed its throne as the king of moons in the solar system. With the discovery of 62 new moons, the ringed planet now boasts a whopping 145 moons orbiting its golden sky. Among them, two bright stars stand out as beacons of hope: Titan and Enceladus. Titan, with its dense, nitrogen-rich, planet-like atmosphere, is a treasure trove of organic molecules, including complex hydrocarbons, the building blocks of life. Imagine the rivers, lakes, and seas that glisten on Titan's surface, not of water, but of liquid methane and ethane, shimmering under an alien sky. Could these wondrous waters harbor life? Then there's Enceladus, a tiny moon that harbors a huge secret, a subsurface ocean of liquid water, making it a prime candidate for supporting life, or at least the conditions to sustain it. While Saturn itself remains a harsh place, its moons tell a different story. Titan's icy surface, as cold as -179 degrees Celsius, -270 degrees Fahrenheit, is a formidable challenge for life as we know it. Earth's lipid-based cell membranes would crumble in such extreme conditions. However, scientists have found a glimmer of hope in a molecule called acrylonitrile. This wonder compound can form flexible, cell-like structures, forming thin sheets that turn into tiny hollow spheres called exosomes. These tiny cells, similar to Earth's lipid bilayer, could be the key to unlocking life in Titan's icy environment. As Saturn's rings continue to rain down and its moons whisper of cosmic possibilities, we can't help but wonder, could these distant worlds hold clues to life beyond Earth? What other mysteries lurk in the orbits of Saturn's extended family of moons? Turn to the next page, where we'll continue to explore the wondrous stories and unsolved mysteries of Saturn's glorious realm. Picture a moon with a thick, hazy atmosphere, where rivers of liquid methane snake through a frozen landscape under a magical orange sky. This is Titan, Saturn's largest moon, a world so alien yet so full of potential that it looks like it came straight out of a science fiction novel. Could this distant moon hold the key to one of humanity's biggest questions? Is there life beyond Earth? Scientists have discovered a tantalizing clue in Titan's atmosphere, a molecule called acrylonitrile, detected by the ALMA observatory at concentrations as high as 2.8 parts per billion. This is no ordinary compound, it's a game-changer, with the ability to form membrane-like structures called exosomes, flexible enough to house life in Titan's frigid environment. Over billions of years, Titan's surface has been bathed in this wondrous molecule, accumulating in its alien lakes and seas. Imagine Ligeia Mare, one of Titan's vast methane lakes, shimmering in the dim light of the distant sun. Researchers estimate that this lake alone contains enough acrylonitrile to produce about 10 million exosomes per milliliter of liquid. To put that in perspective, that's 10 times the density of bacteria in a milliliter of coastal seawater on Earth. Can you imagine a lake teeming with the building blocks of life, not in water, but in liquid methane, on a moon 1.4 billion kilometers away? It's a mind-boggling thought, challenging the limits of what we know about life as we know it. To unlock the mysteries of Titan, NASA is preparing an ambitious mission. In 2027, Dragonfly, an unmanned rotorcraft, will launch, skimming Titan's dense atmosphere to explore the lakes, dunes and craters on its surface. The mission promises to bring us closer than ever to answering whether Titan's unique chemistry could support life. Will Dragonfly find evidence of alien biology, or even reveal entirely new chemical forms that challenge our understanding of life? Until then, Titan remains a tantalizing puzzle, whispering about the possibilities of life beyond Earth. But the story doesn't end with Titan. Our solar system is vast, and Saturn's family of moons, along with other distant worlds, may harbor even more candidates for life. New discoveries are emerging, bringing us closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone in the universe? While we await the discoveries from Dragonfly and other breakthroughs, the universe continues to amaze us with its wonders. Stay tuned, as the next chapter of this cosmic journey takes us deeper into the search for life and the secrets hidden in the magnificent realm of Saturn.